I want to go over 2 quick things in the newest type of ads on Amazon for the shopping season. So these are the sponsored display, VCPM, right? Pay per impression, retargeting ads. And I'm going to do the same thing I did a couple weeks ago where I'm just taking screenshots different days of the week, showing you guys that these are working. And you're not going to know until 3 days has passed to see what sales you're getting. And then I'm going to dive into a campaign and just cover some really quick things that you guys can do to make sure you're getting the most out of these campaigns. Okay, I took this first screenshot on 12/6, okay? I took it on 12/6, a day after, right? We had no sales. For the 3rd, the 4th, and the 5th, we had absolutely no sales. Some people still will look at this and turn off the ads. Like, guys, if your sales go to 0 in a campaign, something's wrong with the data, okay? Don't turn it off. So look at this. I had the 21st of the 5th. We have 6,200 in sales at 19% ACOS. Same exact date range. Took it a couple days later. ACOS dropped by 6%, okay? And we had one of our best days on the 4th. So now I'm going into this campaign, and what I can see here, if I look at last 7 days, right? I went crazy with this campaign yesterday because I know it's working. So I hit it with a really, really, really high budget. And unfortunately, if you're a smaller seller, you can't afford these days of spend, right? $675 without knowing what's happening. But I'm going to have to wait to see how this is doing, right? But I'm getting the spend and the sales figures aren't coming in yet for these campaigns. You just need to be aware of that and know what's going on, okay? Now, to dive into what to do with these campaigns, one really, really, really big thing is when you set these up, this right here, similar to advertised products, that one's always in there, okay? So that defaults to every campaign, and it will also always spend the most. So I'm going to change this to a better date range so we can actually look at some real numbers here. 1st to the 5th. Right, so if I look at this, I'll see that actually that one is not spending the most, right? It's not spending a lot in this campaign, but it's getting almost a 12 ROAS, right? And you guys see, I have my VCPM set at over $5. Now, I talked with an Amazon rep about a month ago, and they said, like, you know, if you set these to $2, nothing's going to happen. And I was like, no, I don't really believe you. But now I do, right? These are different than cost per clicks. Set these crazy high, okay? I have most of these set to over $5 right now. So all I'm saying here is just keep an eye out for this one, similar to advertised product. That's really all you have to do. And then one more quick tip here. Again, this is going to be a short video. One more quick tip is you want to group your best sellers, okay? Especially with sponsored display. I've tried this with one ASIN. I've tried this with maybe just a couple ASIN. They don't work as well because these are built for impressions, okay? So you're going to get, and also this is utilizing Amazon's kind of algorithm to show which SKU is going to be better to show to a customer. So I always group my top, whatever your top ASIN, whether it's 10 of them or whether it's 5 of them, always group them together in your retargeting ads and have one big campaign as opposed to like 5 separate campaigns for each one of them. You're going to get much better results, okay? Be patient. Wait, at least these are taking at least 3 days for the sales to kick in. And then, guys, I'm going to keep trying to give out these quick tips right now for the holidays. Another just quick thing, I took ads off my video, so I hope that gets you guys watching the full length of these because I really want you to stay till the end. And stay tuned, right? I'm going to do my best to launch 1 or 2 videos a week. So subscribe, do what you can, and we're going to be coming out with a lot more stuff.